All right, good morning, everybody. I am talking to you today live from our Lakoski Brookman data deal room where we have all of our deal toys lined up over the years, hundreds of them around the walls. And I want to talk to you today about the November microcap IPO market because the numbers are in. And while we're not breaking any of October's blockbuster records, the market has remained active with 7 initial public offerings, pricing and listing during the month of November. These deals brought in a combined 64 million in fresh capital. Not too bad for what's traditionally a slower month in the capital markets, given we lose an entire week to Thanksgiving. Let's talk numbers for a second. The median offering size actually jumped up $8.2 million this month compared to October's 6.8 million. Maybe that shows a little bit of strength and resilience in the market, maybe not. Only time will tell. We saw deals ranging this month from $5 million all the way up to $15 million, which shows plenty of appetite across different size ranges for these deals. And guess what? The international crowd is still showing up in force. Out of 7 deals, 4 were foreign private issuers, with 3 coming from the Cayman Islands and 1 from the British Virgin Islands. All of them had operations in Greater Asia. NASDAQ continues, of course, to be the preferred choice, hosting 5 of the 7 deals. New York Stock Exchange welcomed 2 new listings. Here's an interesting tidbit that our data desk picked up. Again, 4 companies got creative with their listings and registered legacy shareholders to get to that all-important $15 million public float. And speaking of creativity, we had one issuer again, same as last month, spicing things up a little bit with a non-tradable warrant in their IPO. The diversity we're seeing here is fantastic. These deals came from 4 different sectors, including industrials, healthcare, consumer, leisure, hospitality. Great cross-section. Now, I like to always say the best part of these video updates are when we give the shout out to the investment banks and recognize them for just doing an amazing job in the marketplace. Our investment banking all-stars for November are Kraft Capital, Think Equity, Revere Securities, Newbridge, Alexander, and Alliance Global Partners, AGP. I'd also like to give a shout out to 3 additional investment banks who made their debut in the microcap IPO space this month. Our data desk picked them up in their tracking data to MDB Capital, Prime Number Securities, and Benjamin Securities. Congratulations to everyone on keeping the momentum going. So, what's the story as we head into the final month of 2024? Again, we might not be matching October's explosive numbers, but it appears the microcap market has staying power. The big question is, what does December have in store for us? Drop us your thoughts in the comments below. Are we seeing a healthy cooling off period post-election, or is this the new steady state for microcap IPOs? Let's discuss who can call it the closest. And also stay tuned because we have some amazing updates coming out, both for December numbers, year-end numbers, and some breaking news coming out of the exchanges, specifically NASDAQ.